Welcome to the beach cafe.
Very nice place.
Thank you.
Afternoon. I'm just having a walk down the beach to the restaurant we went to a couple of nights ago. I think it's a Belgium guy. It's one of the newer places on the beach. I thought I'd just go down there, take some photos. Maybe I can get a video of the chalets. It's only a 3-minute walk from where we're staying. Beautiful day again. It come over a bit overcast this morning, but as you can see, the sun's out with a vengeance. The beaches is looking a bit dirty, but it's just vegetation from the storm the other day. There's the odd plastic bottle, but most of the people picked that up. But I'll go down there, I'll do a bit of filming down here, and maybe have a beer, of course, if it's cold. This is the one I filmed yesterday. Quite inexpensive at the moment. I think this one opens at 12 o'clock and it's now 12:15, so we might be in luck. I can see the owner inside. Everyone's keeping their place nice and clean. So this is a lovely little bar to sit in the evenings. Sawadee Cap. How are you?
I'm very well, thank you so much.
No problem. What a beautiful day.
Yes.
Beautiful day.
Yes.
Come to make pictures from the roads.
Okay.
Yeah.
And your name was? I forget.
Luke.
Luke. Where are you from?
Belgium.
Belgium. This is Luke from Belgium, and a lovely little bar. We had food here the other night, which was very nice. And hopefully I'll have a beer when I'm here. I'll have an ice cold Leo, please. And we'll see if we can get some video of the rooms. So these are your rooms up here, yeah?
We have the rooms here.
This building. And this little place, this all belongs to the same guy. You can have a massage in here when it's open. We've only been here a few days, but this is one of my favourite places already. Everywhere we've been on the island, good hospitality. Everyone's friendly. The wind stopped now. The clouds, or the majority of the clouds, have disappeared. That's the black clouds, that is. And it's looking like you'd expect a tropical holiday destination to be. Another cold beer, yeah? Okay, Dave.
คนเดียวหรือเปล่าขอบคุณพี่ขอบคุณแล้วเปล่าsorry ไม่เป็นไรนั่นแหละ เอาแค่นี้แหละเอามาเล่น
เส้นหรือพี่แดงเอา
สั่งแล้วเลยนะแตงโมปั่นนี่ไม่ได้3เลยทีนี้ให้3
Okay, Wes, you hungry?
Yes, we order papaya salad.
Sounds very nice.
sounds very nice yeah
Sounds a bit
food.
spicy for me.
Spicy yeah Isan food
This is the building with the rooms. How much are the rooms?
Yeah, that's my department of my wife, eh? I have another department, eh? I'm
Okay.
the decorator. But it depends, eh? Rain season, high season, now we do lower. Because short corona, we do everything lower.
What's your wife's name?
Niet.
Nit. How much are the rooms?
The room at the moment is 700 baht for the sea view, 500 baht for the middle room, and family room 1,005. Next month a bit, a few hundred go up. But
Ah,
it's
okay. You do food in the mornings? Your breakfast?
We don't have breakfast, but if you have request, we can organize for.
Ah,
Yes.
sounds good. Can
Thank
I see this one?
Good.
Nice size room.
700 baht. We will clean the
It's
room.
quite nice in with it having a canopy over the top because it feels significantly cooler in here. Beautiful rooms. Little area to sit outside with a hammock. That's fast becoming my favourite seating at the moment. Is the hammock outside of our room. But very nice this is. Very nice indeed. This is the same price as this one, yeah?
Yeah, that's all the same rooms. And this one is the middle room, they're a little bit cheaper. But they're not fixed yet, eh? There's no bed covers on and everything.
Yeah, but it looked the room itself looked very nice, and it feels cooler in here. Is that?
Yeah,
not-
it's cool with the floor and there's a floor up. So it is cooler.
Yes, this looks like just a mirrored room of the one we've just seen opposite. Now we're going into the back rooms. They're a bit cheaper because there's no view. These ones are set back slightly. Nothing's made up at the moment because they've not had many customers for a while, but just prior to somebody staying here they will tidy the rooms up, put the bedding on. There's a little gecko running on there. Tina hates him, but I actually like him. Keep the mosquitoes down.
That's good, yeah?
One thing I noticed, even where we're staying, no TVs. But when you've got views on the beach like that, you don't want to be sat in front of the TV all day. Yeah, this room's exactly the same as the last one, so I won't bother going in there. Now we're going a little bit further into the building.
There is the
Okay.
family room.
This room here, the same as this one, yeah?
Yes, this one 500 baht, but we don't have balcony.
Okay, 500 baht because no balcony and inside.
This
And
one
then
for 4 people.
this room holds 4 people, yeah?
Yes.
It's a family room, wow. How much is this one?
This one 1,500 baht at the moment. We provide big fridge.
Yeah.
Then we have the second floor for 2 people, down for 2 people, and have living room to sit.
1,500 baht at the moment.
Yes.
And this one you have double bed downstairs
Yes.
and another double. Is it okay if I go up and have a look?
Yes, of course.
Try not to break my neck on the stairs. A little bit steep, but okay. Just like a mezzanine floor. They said they will make all the rooms up. It's a little bit warmer up here at the moment.
Yeah. But we have aircon, that's right.
Yeah. Yeah, as soon as I walked up the stairs I could feel the heat, but they do have aircon, so that shouldn't be a problem. And you have 2 of these rooms, yeah?
Yes. Another room is different.
One on the other side.
Another room we will separate bed, that very easier for bigger.
And this is similar to the other side. Wow, this one nice as well.
Yes.
This the same price the other one?
Yes. Maybe we have 3 feet the bed here and 2 feet the bed here, so that was separated for the kid.
So there's a double bed up there, yeah?
Yeah.
Double bed here.
Yes.
Again. Nice bathroom with shampoos and soaps and things. And then in this room they have 2 areas up above. I won't go up there again, but there's another double bed up there, so you can get quite a few people in this room, or a family. And from the back of this building with all the rooms, you can just look straight out there and see the sea. Maybe not on this camera from here, but looks like they've got an eye for details here. Everything's very nice, clean, tidy, food's okay. Okay, thank you very much for that.
Oh, you're welcome. Yeah. And okay.
No problem. You drink beer all day?
I'm always busy here. Eh?
Yeah? You do all this yourself?
Yeah, our decoration, everything. I do everything myself. I like to do.
You do a good job.
Thank you.
It's got that rustic feel about it, you know?
There are many people said, oh, it looks cozy, looks nice.
It's very nice. This is how you would describe a tropical holiday. This would be probably for me exactly it, you know?
So we work hard on it. It's a shame now we're in a bad period, but yeah.
Yeah, if you can survive this period,
then you can survive everything.
You'll be okay.
Hey, and after rain comes sunshine.
Yep. Okay then, thanks very much.
Thank you very much. I'm gonna work a little bit.
Okay, bye-bye. Right, my beer's getting warm, so I think I better go over, have my beer. Everyone's come down to eat except my wife. She's already ordered food in the other place, so I'll be eating alone, well, with friends. One, two, three. Oh, that looks nice. How much is that fish and chips?
At that moment, 199.
199 baht for fish and chips. Fish and chips. The fish looks nice. The vinegar smells like vinegar. Well, that was nice. I think I'll finish my video here. Okay, bye. Just a recap on the rooms again. I took some video earlier on of the rooms, but they weren't made up. And the lady here, the owner, felt a bit guilty. So she's made a room up. I'm not sure if it's one or two, but she's made a room up so you can see it as it would be if you booked it. So I'll wait for them to just show me which one they've done. Right, this looks like one of the rooms they've done for us. 700 baht room. Again, they've made the beds. I told her it didn't really matter, but she really wanted to show it as you would have it if you booked the room here. I don't know if they've done anything extra with the bathroom. There's not much you can do, but perfect.